As a mutual fund distributor, we should be very good in three arguments. First, why your client needs to do investment, why he need to take risk. We as an Indian are in love with bank fixed deposits because this is safe. So you should be very good in the first argument as why investment. Second, you should be very clear on why mutual fund as an investment vehicle. And third and most importantly, you should be very clear on the argument that why you as a mutual fund distributor. And today I'm going to share with you 6 resources which can help you in preparing your grounds so that you can convince your client that he is going to do business with you. Hello everyone, I'm Shobet. I'm a Finbase growth expert and the founder of Finbase Growth Club, a community of aspiring mutual fund distributors. So first let's understand that if you are not good at the information and arguments which you are going to give to your client, you will not be able to convince your client. Please remember, in this business, the only physicality is you. So if you are not able to sell yourself effectively, your client will not do business with you. So you should be very good in the argument and the information which you are putting across to your client. It should be relevant, but more importantly, it should be with the prospects, or it should be with the mindset that the knowledge regarding managing our money, regarding personal finance, regarding investments have been never taught to us in all our formal education. So you need to put your arguments in such a manner so that your client can correlate with you. Your client can understand what you are talking about. If you keep talking about all the technical jargons, he will not be able to correlate with you. So you need to understand that more importantly, you should be a good listener. If you are able to ask right questions to your client, automatically those answers will able to convince your client that he should be doing investments and he should be doing investments through you. So you should be very clear on the kind of conversation you are going to have with your client. How convincing are with your questions is going to determine how successful you would be in your business. Remember, we are so scared to talk about money. So instead of being an advisor, you should be a friend through your customers so that he can share with you, he can correlate with you. So let me share with you the first and simplest way, resource which can help you in preparing your ground well. I would like you to look at the video playlist from HDFC Mutual Fund YouTube channel. There is a playlist which is called Bachat Nivesh or Aap. So this is a playlist which will have a good detailed insights regarding various concepts of investments, mutual funds, inflation, and so on and so forth. So if you look at that, there are huge free videos which are available, which you need to go through to understand and more importantly, prepare your arguments. I am going to leave the links of all the resources which I am going to share with you today in the description. Do visit those resources because these are absolutely free for you. So take a commitment that you are going to go through all this playlist so that it can help you in preparing the argument for yourself in an effective manner. Believe me guys, the kind of insights which Mr. Kishan Sharma has put in this playlist, it is altogether a different ball game. Once you go through this playlist, you will be able to understand how you should be talking and what kind of examples and logics you should be giving to your customer so that he is able to convince and you are able to convince him that mutual fund is the right space to be in. Investment should be in the mind of your customer. इसमें बहुत सारे हिंदी के भी वीडियो हैं, तो अगर आप हिंदी में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हैं तो प्लीज़ इस प्लेलिस्ट को गो थ्रू करें। इसमें बहुत सारा आपको ज्ञान मिलने वाला है जो आपको हेल्प करेगा अपने रीजनिंग को प्रिपेयर करने में, ताकि आप अपने क्लाइंट को एजुकेट कर सके, कन्विंस कर सके। So this is the first resource which I would like you guys to go through. The second resource which I am going to tell you is a YouTube channel from Kotak Mutual Fund. So Kotak Mutual Fund has a YouTube channel which is called Pro Start by Kotak Mutual Fund. In that channel, there you will going to find lot of resources which you can use to prepare yourself. Like how to grow your business, there is a playlist. You will have a course on Excel, how to use Excel for your business, how to handle customers' expectation, how to acquire new clients. So these all resources are available on the YouTube channel of Kotak Mutual Fund, and I would like you guys to go through this so that you can get a very good argument and insight as how your business should be growing and what all things you need to do so that you can prepare yourself better for this mutual fund distribution business. So please go through that. There are huge wealth of information, but more importantly, practical information which is available, which you can use to understand and put this same kind of logics with your customer. So if you want some new ideas as what to talk, how to talk to your customer, then I would prefer that you need to go through these two YouTube channels. It can help you in preparing yourself for the better understanding. Now the third resource which I am going to share with you, it is to do with not only mutual funds, but it has to do with the financial planning, savings or investments. I firmly believe that we as a mutual fund distributor, we cannot live in isolation as an only investment advisor. We need to look at the overall financials of our clients. If we are able to understand the various aspects of the personal finance of the client, we will be able to give a better solutions to our client. So investments cannot be seen as an isolation. Investment should be seen in conjunction with all the various aspects of personal finance. So I'm going to recommend you a course from Khan Academy. It is a free course. I would like you guys to go through that course. And what you are going to learn in that course? In that course, you are going to learn a lot of fundamental questions which you need to understand and ask your customer, like tracking your savings and expenses. What all things you are doing and how you need to understand that is tackled there. What is emergency fund? How you should be approaching emergency fund? That is also taken care there. Then how to educate the kids in your house regarding personal finance, regarding investments, that is also addressed in that course. Then whether you should be having a rented house or you should buy a house, all those things are dived in detail in that course, and it is a totally free course. I would recommend that you guys please go through that course, because if you are hands on the personal finance side, so you will be very clear on various aspects regarding investments. So this is the course. You can just create your login. It is totally free and wealth of huge information available, जिससे आपको बहुत ज्यादा क्लियरिटी मिलेगी कि आपको क्लाइंट से कैसे टैकल करना है। उसके लिए आपको पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में भी समझना बहुत जरूरी है। So please go through this course. I'm going to leave the link of this course in the description. Do go through that. So this is the third resource which I want to share with you, and these all are free resources so that you can get wealth of information for yourself. The fourth course which I would like to discuss with you is a course from Coursera, which is totally free for you, family and personal financial planning. Now this is also a very important course which I would like you to go through, where the instructor has dived deep into how to approach the investments, What are the fundamental aspects regarding investments? He has dived deep into it. Then how to do investments through mutual funds? Those arguments are also given there. There's a beautiful chapter on that. Then how to do the execution for your clients' investments and personal finance, that is also that. It is a 9-week course and you can go through your own pace. More importantly, it is a free course. Believe me guys, if you're fundamentally very clear on personal finance, you will be able to talk to your client in an effective manner, in a manner which your client will be able to resonate with. So please go through that course and let me share with you a glimpse of that. So this is the course. I'm going to share the link also with you. Please go through this course so that you can get a clarity as what all things you need to be aware of. You see, understanding personal finance, then investments, then all the things which I told you. It is a very good effective course to get your concept clear what personal finance is. अगर आपको पर्सनल फाइनेंस की क्लैरिटी चाहिए, जो मुझे लगता है एज ए म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हम सबको होनी चाहिए, तो आपको डेफिनेटली इस कोर्स को देखना चाहिए. This course is going to help you in preparing your argument effectively. So please go through this course and I think that will be a huge benefit for you. The next two resources which I am going to share with you, it has nothing to do with the theoretical knowledge, but more to do with the practical knowledge. So I admire two speakers in the field of personal finance and investments who keep on discussing various aspects regarding investments, regarding mutual fund business and various aspects on various forums. The first guy which I would like you guys to follow and see their resources is Mr. Hitesh Mali. Hitesh Mali is a very known figure in mutual fund industry. He keeps on conducting lot of investor awareness programs, lot of talk regarding investments, mutual fund distribution and so on and so forth. I would like you guys to visit his YouTube channel and subscribe to it and go through that because he is there and he is sharing wealth of information. So this is his YouTube channel. I would like you guys to subscribe and go through that. There are a lot of information which is available and he keeps on conducting lot of investor awareness programs. Okay. So those investor awareness programs, some of the investor awareness programs recordings are also available on YouTube for free. Please go through that so that you will be convincing yourself and by process you will be able to convince your clients also on the various aspects of investments and personal finance. So Hitesh Mali is the one guy I would like you guys to see their YouTube videos so that you can prepare yourself. The other person whom I would like you guys to follow is Mr. Krishan Sharma from HDFC Mutual Fund. That guy is most respected in terms of how to discuss and talk investments, personal finance, mutual funds with your client. There is a huge wealth of information which is available on YouTube, which has been recorded while he was doing various investor awareness programs at various forums. Believe me guys, if you are able to practice even the same arguments for yourself when you are talking to your client, you will be a very successful mutual fund distributor. So I am going to share some of the links of his various investor awareness programs recording in the description. I would like you guys to please go through that so that you can get a huge clarity as how you should be approaching your client. Remember, as I told you in the beginning, the only physicality in this business is you. So if you are able to sell yourself convincingly to your client, you will be very, very successful. So these are the resources which I thought it can help you. More importantly, these are free resources. Please go through that. In case you like the content, in case it was useful for you, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please hit the thumbs up button. Give your feedback in the comment section. More importantly, do share with your family and friends. I would love you guys to join my 90 minutes masterclass where I am going to discuss with you how you can start your successful mutual fund distribution business in 21 days or less. I'm going to leave the link for the masterclass in the description. Do join me there for the live session. Thank you for watching. I am going to meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.